How is it going, guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a science experiment for you that you can do at home on your own. And we did a variety of science experiments today. The first science experiment that we did was called fireworks in a jar, and this is a very fun, easy science experiment that you can do. All you need is a clear jar. We used a mason jar, oil, water, several drops of food coloring, and a fork for stirring. So all you need to do is fill your jar about 3/4 full with warm water, 3/4 full with warm water. In a separate bowl, put a few tablespoons of oil and several drops of different food coloring into the oil. Use your fork just to gently mix it. Don't mix it too much, and carefully pour the oil mixture into the jar, and then watch what happens. And as you can see, that's what happens in our video. I suggest that you use contrasting colors like a light and dark color. And one thing it was difficult for us to get it working, it was difficult for us to get to work the first couple of times because we stirred it too much and it kind of blended it together. But my suggestion would be to fill it up with warm water, pour the oil on top, and then drop the food coloring in after the fact. Then the second science experiment that we did was tie-dye milk. And then all you need is a shallow plate or bowl, a little bit of milk, a half cup of water, some more food coloring, just different colors, dishwashing soap, and some Q-tips. And as you can see, you can make some pretty neat designs, and it's just fun if you have young kids. And it's a great science experiment to do, especially during these COVID stay-at-home times. And then for the last science experiment, all we did was we got 7 mason jars, and we put red on the ends, 5 drops of red food coloring, and then the 2 jars in the middle. And then there's 1 empty jar in the direct middle, but just to the right and left of that, you're going to put 5 drops of blue and 5 drops of yellow in the corresponding mason jars. And then you're going to put paper towel transferred from each mason jar, and then just let it sit and watch what happens. And you can make all the colors of the color wheel. That was pretty fun. That was neat for Brindley to see just the transfers of the primary colors and what colors it makes. But yeah, these are some suggestions, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.